Olympic speedskater Daniil Aldoshkin flashed a double bird after his Russian team beat the United States in the team pursuit semifinals on Tuesday, but he seemed to claim that he flipped off no one in particular. Watch the moment below. I threw up my hands, I have the first medal, the first Olympics, Aldoshkin said at the Beijing Winter Olympics, Parati.com. I didn't mean anything like that. I'm sorry if this offended anyone. It sure looks like those middle fingers aimed for someone or something. The gesture added more attention to a games now dominated by the doping scandal involving star Russian figure skater Kamila Valieva. Russia's Olympic team was sanctioned for systemic drug offenses at the Sochi 2014 Games and is known as the Russian Olympic Committee in Beijing. So, maybe Aldoshkin was merely exhibiting defiance to the world, or declaring he and his teammates were number one, twice? Emotions took over at the finish line, Russian Skating Union President Alexei Krevtsov said, Parati. There was no subtext in this action. We are sorry if someone differently perceived this situation and offended someone. On behalf of the Russian Skating Union, we offer official apologies. Turns out Russia wasn't number one overall, anyway. The Rock lost to Norway and settled for silver. The Americans earned bronze. HTUSA Today.